Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect the Bluetooth in your Galaxy M15. So to go to Bluetooth settings, go to settings first of your phone. Now go to connections here. There will be option a Bluetooth. You can turn off or turn on. Turn on is when this little dot is in the blue wallpaper here, something like that. When you click on the Bluetooth, your phone now is searching all device near to you. Yep, there is all this device is ready to set up with your phone. So if you have some device, you have to put it in a pair mode. Yep. So you will show you this your device here, and all you want to do is click on it and pair with your phone, and that will be all. Yep. Anyway, there is a second way to go to Bluetooth, and it is upper slide bar here, and this is Bluetooth. You can disable by clicking enable it, and of course choose whatever device you can choose to connect. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.